Okay, this is Jatin Plays YT. Today I'm going to unbox my Blackbird shoes, which I ordered from Blackbird. These are made in India and hand welted, which is a construction where hand work is used. Okay, so I'm going to unbox my shoes. So this is the paper. Okay, so we get two insoles and there's a leather lining. Okay, we get a shoe horn, Blackbird shoemaker. Looks pretty neat. And it's a real bull horn, by the way. It's made of real bull. So we get a shoe bags. Okay. So this is how these boots look. Looks pretty neat. And I can see there's a welt here, and there's a midsole, and there's a outsole. Commando grip outsole, and there's a nails in here, which is very well done. Looks very solid. Okay, I'm going to open the other one. So here's the top view. They look very well done, by the way.
So I am going to try them on and see how they fit me in natural sunlight so you can judge them better.
Okay, so I am going to wear them. Oh, there's one more Blackbird insole in here. Feels pretty good. I hope it's in camera. Yes, it is. Oh shit. I think I have to lose them more. Yes. Yes, now. Okay. Hmm. So tell me guys, how do you feel for them? In my eyes, they are looking very good. Feels like a British. Fit me very well, but they are feels like tight. And I know with time they gonna be soft. But I think this is it. I'm really happy with my purchase.